This is Xsense hardwired smoke alarm with backup battery. In this video, I'm going to do unboxing and then I will test the alarm and I'm going to show you how to connect it. So let's get started. So you got the menu on the top and here is the wired. Alright. Actually, looks really good. And the surface is matte. It's super strong plastic. And you can see how thick it is from the side. And it's all open from all the directions, so it can detect from all the detection. And the green is power, the yellow is fault, the red is the alarm. So let's see the back. So when you turn it, it matches, so this one can take off. And here is where you connected the wire, hardwire. But it also comes with the battery, just in case that sometime that you don't have power, but the home is protected. So, okay. And here, when you connect the battery, you have to match it. You won't go wrong. So there's only one way to connect it. Alright, put this one in. So the battery start and this start initiating, so the color is changing. Alright, the initiating is done, so let's test it. Because they got a battery inside, let's do the test. Here is a huge button. Press it. It's super loud. I have to hold it. Okay. And the next step, I'm going to show you how to connect it. Let's get started. I assembled this part just for the demolition purpose. And here it comes with the 14-2 wire. So basically there's a black and a white coming from this part. And also the copper, this is the ground. This cable is the 14-3. So it comes with the black, white, also comes with the red. So the red is for interconnection. That one goes off, the other all goes off. So let's connect this one. So before you do any electrical work, just make sure that you turn off the panel switch of this one. So you have to do the test. So there's basically nothing. Turn off the nut. And one thing you need to remember that this wire is going to be a little bit further. If you do this way, you're probably not going to get a good connection. So you go up a little bit and then we use the wire nut. Make sure that it's a little bit above it. So how tight it is? We're gonna tight to make sure it start to turn. Yeah, just like this. And then after do this, you're gonna pull. Make sure that's super tight. Now I'm good. And then we do this one, the white one. Basically the same thing. All right. We put this wire up and we make this one on the top. Just like this. See that? Okay. Let's turn it. You're gonna use a lot of strength. You see it started turning and you need to pull. You need to pull hard, so no problem at all. And then this is the red wire. Also, we're gonna make sure that it's above it. Okay, just like this. And then we start to turn, spin. just like this, and then we pull. It's super tight. Now we're good. So after you've done this, you push the wire inside the box. Okay, like this. They all inside very tight, and then you only leave this one outside. And then we need to install a wall plate. So it says clearly wall side. So we're gonna turn it like this. And then we're gonna put a screw in. And then we're gonna connect it to the smoke detector. So basically you just push that in and then slide toward the battery side, just like this. You see, it's on there. And then we just turn it inside. Alright, hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.